Are you embarrassed of your eczema? Oh, her too. She uses this cream. It works. No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. I'm literally sitting on the porch. I have my new little succulent beside me that my mom got me. There's a bird chirping. It's a lovely day. Seriously though, I have a lot of views on a certain video. At this point, it's like end of June, I have about 20,000 views on my How to Reduce Eczema in 3 Hours video. And honestly, it kind of bothers me a little bit because that's not like updated information that I'm talking about in that video. And I really wanted to take some time to tell you guys actually, like, scientifically what would reduce it in 3 hours updated. So like, what I knew then, that was the first video I ever uploaded. So I have healed my eczema. I've had relapses, yada yada yada, but the bottom line is what I know now is to the cellular level what eczema is, how to heal it, and you know, like, basically you have to heal it from the inside out. And some of the information that I said in that video, it was what I thought was working at the time, and actually it's not the best information because, like, for example, one thing that I talked about was the fact that I was drinking green tea to reduce the eczema. Well, it's not that it was the green tea reducing the redness, it was actually the amount of water I was drinking. And so that is one big tip for healing your eczema quickly, is drinking a lot of water and diluting the toxins that are in your body. It's all about healing from the inside out. It has nothing to do with these crazy creams that these doctors are prescribing, or these like sad like telemarketing stupid commercials that are like, are you embarrassed of your eczema? Oh, her too. She uses this cream. It works. No, like, it'll never work truly. You will never truly heal your eczema if you're not healing from the inside out, because it's a systemic problem from your gut to your immune system, then to your skin. It doesn't work the opposite way. In fact, you're actually causing yourself more problems by putting things on your skin, especially if they have chemicals in it, because you're now requiring your body to detox even more. So my tips now for reducing it in 3 hours is, you know, drink a lot of water and take these 2 supplements. Well, I actually have like a set of maybe like 5 or 6 supplements that I take for emergencies. Vitamin C, echinacea, and I take milk thistle, and I take a yeast detox. Oh man, guys, I have absolutely had the most insane week of my life. So I was just filming a couple days ago, and like it's just been a lot, okay? So like Monday, you guys didn't even know this, but I did have a boyfriend. We broke up on Monday. So I bounced back fine because, like, you know, it was a mutual thing, and like we couldn't serve each other anymore. And so it was just like, yeah, I was sad, and he's my best friend, but like I love him, but from afar. Like, I don't have to be with him to love him, you know what I mean? So then a couple days later, I get laid off from my job, and I'm in absolute shock. So like, I don't know, I took a couple days to just collect myself before I continued filming this, because a huge way to heal your eczema quickly is to reduce your stress. So for me, I could have easily gotten extremely stressed, but over the past couple months I've learned to like deal with your emotions right as they happen. Cry if you need to cry, get mad if you need to get mad, and then you have to let it go, because if you hold on to it, you will feel it. Like you know that you feel like a burning in your chest when you're mad, or like you feel a sinking feeling. It's like all of that actually affects your eczema, so try the best you can to control that. On another note, you guys usually never see my hair naturally curly, or, well, it's just kind of wavy, but this is what it does. The more videos I make, the more I realize how much that I truly want to connect with you guys on a personal level, and I want you guys to get to know me. So basically, like, more and more of these eczema videos are gonna include kind of a vlog style, like real life. This is me dealing with my life, dealing with eczema, dealing with everything, and like, it is what it is. So basically, the way I get rid of eczema is by avoiding things that trigger it. And I've said this in every single video, and it's like, I tell everyone that I'm gluten intolerant, I'm lactose intolerant, I can't have fried foods, and it's tough to go out and eat, so it's a lot easier if you try to eat at your house, but these are the things that lets you live an eczema-free life, and I value that more than I value eating fried food. So a couple videos ago I showed you this eczema on my arm from traveling. It's gone. I also have like a couple little teeny patches on my arm, but it's nothing, and it is so controlled. They're actually healing, so when your eczema heals, it gets like flaky and white, and most of the patches on my arms are just like, they're like flaky, which is really good, and if you don't itch them, that's even better. Meditation, composure, water, and supplements are definitely the keys to relief, for sure. If you have severe eczema, there's something called salicylates, and they're just these chemicals that are found in fruits and vegetables, and what they do for the fruits and vegetables is they're a natural pesticide, and that chemical compound does a lot of harm to you if you have severe eczema, because regularly your liver has no problem trying to detox from all of those like all of the chemicals from the fruits and vegetables. Don't think that fruits and vegetables aren't good for you because I'm saying this. What I'm saying is, when your liver is under so much stress, it can't like detox that while it's trying to detox everything else. So another tip is, if you live in an area where there's a lot of pollution, I would come indoors. So stop running outside if you do that. Try to limit your outdoor exposure, or start wearing like a face mask. I don't know if you guys have ever seen like the cute ones where it's like a little kitty cat or something. Like, do something like that to reduce it. But these tips are critical, and I want you guys to watch this video because I'm so knowledgeable now about what's actually happening inside of our bodies. And like, I've cured my allergies, I've cured my eczema, I got rid of asthma, I've been healing sinus infections. Like, you can kind of hear it because I still have it a little bit, but I've been healing it naturally, and like, I know all of these things, and I just want you guys to know like what I know now, and I want to take you guys on the journey with me. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. Some little tidbits of advice. So I actually have developed a whole diet for healing eczema, but I don't feel that I want to release that on YouTube. I want to work with you personally as a health coach and teach you how to use my diet. So if you're interested in that, please go to my website, coachmichellemills.com. I love you guys so much, and there's so much more content that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna end up making videos about how I travel, how I get jobs, just like a bunch more like life videos. A lot more vlogs are to come. You guys still haven't seen my trip to California, so stay tuned for that. I love you so much. I hope this helps you. Have a good one.